Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your CIT Bank's mobile banking service. So the mobile banking service basically helps you to initiate routine transactions. It helps the customers to view their transactions anytime, anywhere, to make payments, transfer the money, or for any other purposes. So if you want to get acquainted with all of these services and are wondering how you can log in, stick with me till the end of this video to find out. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the CIT Bank's mobile banking application on your mobile device, and then head over to the app. As the app loads, wait for a certain while until an interface lands where you will have to enter certain credentials in order to log into your CIT Bank's online banking or mobile banking service. So currently, there are different updates that are downloading. And after that, I've reached an interface that looks like this, where I'll have to enter my user ID on this section and enter my password on this section. I can also save my user ID and enable Touch ID. I can save my user ID so that I don't have to keep entering it over and over again as I try to log into my account. I can also enable Touch ID so that I can replace the password and just use my fingerprints in order to log into my account. After fulfilling the credentials, tap on the Continue button on the top right corner, and then you'll get logged into your CIT Bank's online banking service. So it is this easy to log in. I hope that this video has guided you through the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also do share, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.